All right, Nick and Kelly are at Barstow doing the Desert Dime night run. We're gonna have some fun, right?
Absolutely.
You're gonna ride passenger with me tonight?
Actually, I am.
I tried to have her bring her truck out, but she wasn't having it. She just wanted to sit passenger. Look at the sunset. The sunset is great tonight. But yes, out here in Barstow, and we're getting ready to do the Desert Dime night run. And we've got, look at this truck come pulling in right there. Down from Mobbin right there. I think he's a little late, but that's okay. But yeah, we're flying the flag, and we got all our night lights and everything ready. We got this truck out here. This one is recently finished. He's had it out once or so, I think. Look at this. We've got Dirt King rear Ultra Link. This thing is bad.
I can't believe you basically work in the same exact.
Dude, you got your truck out. You got your truck out. Oh,
this is magic.
Is it, right?
So good.
So cool. Look at that sunset. So great. Another Chevy over here. This one's rocking Missoula. Look at that. What do I need?
The Class 11s.
Class 11s.
I mean,
okay.
I don't think that they're actually technically Class 11, but the little the bugs. There's two bugs down here. There's a bug over
What's up,
here.
man?
Yeah.
What's going on? Great to see you. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Where?
Yeah. There's two right there.
Go do
right
it.
Here.
Go hit it up.
Okay. Perfect.
It's all you.
This is more exciting than the trucks.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, I just know that section's built for having these little doors. Every single one of them.
Oh yeah, this is way more exciting than the trucks. We are just moving right along. There are so many trucks out here tonight. I'm actually surprised that this has this big of a turnout. Did not expect this.
You having fun?
We are moving right along.
Go and see.
Yeah,
go and show.
show
us what truck.
I am. Well, the Class 11s are way more exciting than the trucks to me tonight, but there are so many trucks that I'm gonna go show some off.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
He's like when you go to when you're done.
I know. I got a.
Okay, let me see. Go back to the lens. I don't know.
Here to be filming at my own event. What is going on here,
What is
dude?
happening?
No,
Great turnout.
I owe you guys a redemption trip from what happened last year.
It was-
Well, not you. You survived it.
I did survive.
You survived it. Where
It
is
was
he though?
fun.
Is he hiding?
He's down there, yeah.
With his truck and everything?
Yeah.
We ran this event last year. No rocks when I pre-ran it. And Nick happened to find the only rock on the course in. Well, this is the recovery team. Luckily this year, Inland Empire,
Okay.
they're helping us out with recoveries because I know, you know, people want that, you know, if you're coming out alone, not with a group, and you're out in the desert in the middle of the night, people like want the safety net of knowing that they can get pulled out if something happens. So they brought
Definitely a bonus.
I think from that Jeep all the way to that new Chevy diesel right there.
Okay.
They're all recovery. They're going to be sitting in the middle of the course on a radio channel that everybody's going to get during the driver's meeting. And if something happens, radio them and they'll dispatch out to you. So.
We've got King Shots here.
How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these dives. Take a dive. Put away my pride.
I know he's doing a Desert Dime booth.
It's usually more
Man in the
exciting.
booth.
Hi.
Good work, girl.
Trying.
Someone's got to do it. Is the teal iPad cover your touch? Yeah. Is that, I like it. That's nice. Yeah.
Just wait, it'll all be teal.
Awesome.
Oh, great.
Love it.
Yeah, we're teal everything.
Shocks might be teal too, you never know.
Sweet. Looks good.
Alright guys, first and foremost, thank you everybody for coming out. I know it's not easy bringing trucks out to the middle of the desert to beat on it and break your shit and then stress about it the rest of the week. But you guys are the real ones who are down to off-road and break your shit, and we appreciate that. That's what we're here for. Before we get started, we want to go ahead and thank a few people. First and foremost, Inland Empire 4x4 Recovery. They are the reason that if you guys do happen to break something tonight, you are going to make it out of the desert and not be stranded all night. So. Okay, you ready?
I am ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready right now. I'll let you know after we start how it's going.
Clog the entrances to both sides.
So you guys you're gonna send everyone off around here?
Yeah, so the start line's right where Jason's standing, so we're gonna need everybody staged on the sides and just come in as you're ready to go.
All right.
I'll go in front. You can probably go next, huh? Back for redemption.
Yep.
Second annual night run. There's only one rock in this road, man.
We're gonna miss that rock.
That's a whole
sure.
different line. You could take a different line and not even see that rock.
I didn't bring an extra steering rack this time, so we're gonna go hard and then go around that rock.
She's back up and running.
Yeah.
Did you see the video where I said it Y's off and you could take your line? Take the straight line hill climb.
No,
the rock's in the right line.
Oh, the rock. There's
the rock's in the right line. It's like a rock in the middle.
Inside. Yeah, I saw that.
But you do have to hit a hard 90 before you can see it, so you're slow enough, you know?
No, I think I'm gonna take the uphill just because it looks funner.
It's way more fun. Yeah, funner.
Yeah.
It's funner.
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 Hey, trademark. Trademark it while you can.
Funner.
Funner.
All right, dude.
All right,
Let's
we're
get
good?
the redemption shot.
All right.
You got this.
Okay.
I'm out of sight, I'm throw. I'm miles off the road, I'm in the motor, in the motor, chaining tune. Hop by my big body form, chain with the tune, can't forgive me what I'm on. I'm hot, I'm looking good, diamonds from wood. Man, it's understood, got money in my hood. I'm pushing big body, can't stop it. Put a 9-8, gotta set a bit and copy. I'm a pro slow, puffing on the opposite mode, hit the stove. I'ma go real slow, puffing with the opposite go. I'ma let the red screen, being looking clean, one more control, big green and night.
Shot caller, 20-inch blades, only a baller. Caller, get laid tonight. Switch the road, tight, got split. I hit the highway, make the money the flyway. But it's got to be a better way. Big ballin', smashing, making my ends. Smoking big killer, getting high in the
Can you turn down the air?
Oh, getting better, man, they got to move on. Switch from motor on to a prime cold bone.
Yeah. You can just turn down mine if you want. Yeah.
Now what you're talking about, close your mind. As I said, I'll score a screen, shine. My sympathies and middle. Lord knows, ain't no time for play. Come is the fucking and the fucking on the head. Wanna be a baller, shot caller, 20-inch blades, only a caller. Caller, get laid tonight. Switch your road tight, got spread. I hit the highway, making money the flyway. But it's got to be a better way. Better way, yeah.
cord. It's okay. Be safe driving home.
Okay, see you guys.
Come over here and help me finish up this Desert Dive night video.
Oh God, you caught me off guard.
Come on. Okay, Nick and Kelly here, finishing up our first vlog just because we're playing with stuff, having fun. Why not, right?
Why not? Let's do it.
Why
Yeah.
not?
I knew I was going to be in this. I need my hat back.
You want your hat back?
Let's go.
Okay, this is a wrap on Desert Dive's night run in Barstow. Kelly and Nick came out, had fun. We did a vlog because we wanted to. Why not, right? What else? What else do you have to say? Did you have fun?
It was fun, yeah. Great turnout, lots of variety of vehicles, and good people, good times. So yeah.
What
it
was the
a good
main
time.
thing that people asked you about when they saw you?
Where my truck was
Where
tonight.
is your truck?
I didn't bring my truck,
Dude.
but I will be bringing it next time for sure. So yeah.
We talked about it. We didn't know how hot it was going to be, and we rather sit in this and have heated
seats,
and
air conditioned seats,
a radio.
Yeah, exactly. So.
Next time we'll bring out the link to Tacoma.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll be ripping around with headsets on.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Good times
so
though.
That's a wrap. Jacob, Jason, thanks for putting this on. We had a great time. Last year we had a great time. This year we had a great time. Thank you very much for everyone that helped out also on the recovery crew as well. Thanks guys. And this is Nick and Kelly's vlog of Desert Dive's night run. Why not?
Whatever, yeah, why not?
Why
Yeah.
not, right? All right, there we go. We're all lit up and we're gonna go hit, I don't know, maybe we'll get something over at Barstow there, and then we're gonna head home.
Yeah. See you later.
Oh, see you later. Oh, look at you.
See you later.
Where's that from?
That's from Thrashin'.
Thrashin' Juan.
Shout out to Juan.
Shout out to Juan. See you later. All right, guys. Bye.